Hey, what's up everyone? So I am eating at Popeyes for the first time ever. I've never eaten here before, but we're gonna give it a try. You know what I'm saying? We give it a try. There you go. Yeah, see, I grew up with KFC, Church's Chicken, Grandy's Chicken, those type of places. There was no such thing as Popeyes where I lived at when I was a kid. So there it is. I'm gonna order to go. Get ready to watch Law and Order tonight. So let's do it. Here it is. So the car, Genesis coupe. You know, let me get the shot. It's probably a bad location though. Like this is nothing out here, you know. So, but yeah. There you go. Yeah, the guy at the front, man, he didn't really look like he just knew what he was doing. He was new, honestly. Hope the order's not wrong. I guess I'll get one drink with it. It's a G80. G80 over there. Look, this is it. But yeah, here's the food. Smells good. Hopefully they got everything. That was $55. You get some cocktail sauce for the shrimp. That's all I asked for, really. I could have gotten a drink. I don't want to get any drinks. I'm just gonna drink water as usual. I don't drink pops. I don't drink soda. They had tea, but it said sweet, and I didn't see any unsweetened, so I said screw it. Unless that was at the front, at the desk, I didn't really notice. But I'll get back, do a little taste test. So let's do it. All right. So here are the fries, covered in aluminum foil, but let me taste it while it's still a little warm. The rest of the food I have to go get. And here's the fries, let me taste it. They're good. I'm not a fry person, man. They're good. I tried to warm them up. Man, fries is good. I'm glad it's not super spicy. I chose classic or the most mild of everything, so I'll see later. Can't wait to try the rest of the food. It's fries, you know, nothing amazing, but it's good. It is. I think that's the right order. Someone else is picky. They didn't want the thighs, they want the breast, so if it's wrong, it's wrong. But everything seems to be here. Alright, try to make this quick. I think I'm just gonna reheat them later and watch the new Gen V episode. Popcorn shrimp. Has a bit of crunchiness to it. Again, I don't really eat fast food, so I don't really know how to judge it all. You know, but popcorn shrimp is good. 6 out of 10. Alright, do the fries. Hold on, let me try the cocktail. Yeah. With the cocktail sauce, 6 out of 10. 6.5 out of 10. Biscuits right here. I've always liked biscuits, man. Biscuit, 8 out of 10. Drumstick. Wow. 8 out of 10 there, I would say. I think this is a wing next. I think. Might be the thigh. I don't know. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, that's like a 9 out of 10. Again, I don't eat this food often. I don't know how to judge it. I've never had Popeyes before. It's my first time. That might be the breast. Oh well. That was the wrong one, so. That's amazing too. Wow. That one I'm gonna give 7.5, 8 out of 10. I don't have paper towels right now, so I have a fork, don't want to get the fork dirty, so there you go. I'm going in raw macaroni. Better than Captain D's macaroni. Macaroni 7.5 out of 10. Mashed potatoes and gravy. No. 8 out of 10. So there you go, that's Popeye. Food's on my lip. There you go. That's my review of Popeyes. Again, I don't eat fast food, so to me, everything is amazing. I grew up with KFC, so very similar, close. I haven't had KFC since I was a little kid, and I was like I said, I stopped eating all this food like 2004, 2005, 2006, something like I was in like high school, so middle school, high school. That's all I had. It's all pretty good, man. So I want heat it up later and look at GMV. Popcorn shrimp. I'd say the chicken was better than the popcorn shrimp. The macaroni and the mashed potato and the biscuit. I would say everything's better than the popcorn shrimp except for the fries. I would say, you know, the fries and popcorn shrimp are around like that same sort of level in the taste department. But everything else, chicken, macaroni, I didn't get any red beans and rice. I know, disappointing. But biscuits, the chicken, especially this chicken thigh wing. I like chicken thighs, man. Recently, I've been eating chicken thighs. Chicken thighs wing, chicken thigh wing here. Don't know which. The drumstick, mashed potatoes and gravy, the macaroni, and the biscuits. It's all amazing. I do recommend Popeyes. I don't recommend eating it every day at all. I don't really eat fast food, but I want to test it out. So thanks for watching. I'll see ya. And I took another bite of the shrimp. It does have a little bit of spice to it. Again, it's Louisiana food. It's supposed to be spicy, I guess. Cajun food. And again, I got classic mild and everything. I didn't get anything with spice on it. But popcorn shrimp, it's good though. It's not like a spice that burns your mouth. It's like actually less than black pepper, so everything's good, man. Okay, so one last thing. I'm reheating the food in the oven. I'm about to go get it. Just turned 10:09 2 seconds ago. 10:09 p.m. now, so Law and Order went off. I'm about to look at GMV, episode 5, season 2, episode 5. Anyway, one thing I will say is that there's a strong aftertaste that I don't like. That's one thing I don't like. I think it's from the shrimp or the cocktail sauce. Most likely the shrimp. That taste that the taste that I'm describing, that I'm sort of sensing, tasting in my mouth, it's like that. It's a strong like tap water taste or something like that. If that makes sense. You know how some foods you eat, and again, it's rare that I even eat restaurant food. So this is the best way I'm describing it. But there's a very strong taste of like some type of water that stays in the mouth. Now, I just took a Pepsi here a few seconds ago before I eat dinner. But that's one thing I would say I don't like, the strong aftertaste of this water or whatever it is. But other than that, the food was overall good. I just think that the popcorn shrimp was like, it's the least, you know, it's not the best tasting. It's like the least of the best tasting of the food, I would say. It's still good. Obviously not the most amazing shrimp you ever eat or anything. But it's mainly just that aftertaste. I don't know what it is. I feel like it came from the shrimp. Anyway, I am officially done, man. So yeah, I'm watching Gen V right now. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Oh my God!